Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is previous year repeated words and their antonyms. If you are preparing for JKSSB or central government jobs, then these words are most important for your preparation. So friends, without wasting time, let's start. Our first word is permit. Meaning is an official document that allows you to do something or go somewhere. And antonyms is forbid. Permit, forbid. Next word is insolent. Meaning is showing a rude and arrogant lack of respect. Antonyms is submissive, insolent, submissive. Next word is lead, the initiative in an action. An example for others to follow. Lead, antonyms is follow. Lead, antonyms is follow. Next word is dilate. Meaning is make or become wider, larger, or more open. Dilate, antonyms is contract. Dilate, antonyms is contract. Next word is inquisitive. Meaning is having or showing an interest in learning things. Having or showing an interest in learning things. Curious या फिर आप curious बोल सकते हैं. And antonyms is indifferent. Friends, you have no need to learn the meaning of these words, but you have a great need to revise the antonyms of these words. So you have to revise the word and their antonyms. So inquisitive, indifferent. Next word is veneration. Veneration meaning is great respect, reverence. So antonyms is disrespect. Veneration, antonyms is disrespect. Next word is concur. Meaning is we of the same opinion, agree. concur क्या होता है? किसी बात से एग्री होना. मीनिंग इज वी ऑफ द सेम ओपिनियन, यानी कि एक जैसी राय रखना. हियर एंटोनिमस इज डिसएग्री. concur, disagree. Next word is transparent, allowing light to pass through so that objects behind can be seen. Transparent, एंटोनिमस is opaque. ठीक है, पारदर्शी. Transparent, एंटोनिमस is opaque. Next word is despair. The meaning is the complete loss or absence of hope. किसी भी बात या किसी काम से जो है, किसी प्रोजेक्ट से बिल्कुल जो है कोई आशा ना होना. And antonyms is hope. Despair, antonyms is hope. Next word is chivalrous. Chivalrous meaning is courteous and gallant, या फिर brave and bold. So antonyms is defiant. Chivalrous, defiant. Antonyms क्या है इसका? Defiant. Next word is nervous. Meaning is easily agitated or alarmed. Nervous, easily agitated or alarmed. And antonyms is composed. Next word is virtue. Meaning is behavior showing high moral standards. Behavior showing high moral standards. Here antonyms is vice. Virtue, vice. Virtue, vice. Next word is barren. Barren, BARREN, जिसे बोलते हैं बंजर. Meaning is too poor to produce much or any vegetation, या फिर showing no results. Here results, achievements या फिर unproductive. Here antonyms is fertile. Barren, fertile. Most important word, friends, these words are 100% repeated in the previous exams. Next word is stingy. Meaning mean, ungenerous. Here stingy का क्या होता है? Antonyms generous. Next word is incredible. Meaning is impossible to believe. So here antonyms is believable. Incredible, believable. Next word is urban. Meaning is in, relating to, or characteristic of a town or city. Here antonyms is rural. Urban, rural. Next word is insolent. Meaning is showing a rude and arrogant lack of respect. Here antonyms is humble. Insolent, humble. Next word is suspicion. meaning is a feeling or thought that something is possible, likely or true. Here antonyms is trust. Suspicion का क्या है? Trust. Next word is stern, meaning is serious and unrelenting. Stern का क्या है? Serious and unrelenting, especially in the assertion or of authority and exercise of discipline. Here lenient. lenient क्या है इसका? Stern का lenient. lenient. Stern का क्या है? Lenient. Antonyms is lenient. Next word is unpredictable, meaning is are not able to be predicted. Changeable, जिसको change ना किया जा सके. Here antonyms is dependable. Unpredictable, antonyms is dependable. Next word is relinquish, meaning is blatantly cease to keep or claim, give up, किसी चीज को छोड़ देना. Here antonyms is retain. Relinquish, retain. Next word is contradiction. Contradiction, meaning is a situation in which inconsistent elements are present. Here antonyms is agreement. Contradiction, antonyms is agreement. Next word is successor, a person or thing that succeeds another. Successor meaning a person or thing that succeeds another. Here antonyms is predecessors. Predecessors. Next word is comrade. Comrade meaning is a colleague or a fellow member of an organization. Here antonyms is enemy. Comrade, a colleague or a fellow member of an organization. Here antonyms is enemy. Next word is callous, meaning is showing or having an insensitive and cruel disregard for others. Callous, antonyms is concerned. Callous, concerned. Next is pessimist, meaning is a person who expect the worst in everything. Here meaning is optimist. Pessimist, optimist. Optimist. Pessimist meaning is optimist. Next word is cruel, willfully causing pain or suffering to others. जानबूझ के दूसरों को दुख पहुंचाने वाला. तो here antonyms is kind. Cruel, kind. Next word is liberation. The meaning is the act of setting someone free from imprisonment, oppression, release. किसी को जो है आजाद कर देना. Here antonyms is bondage. Bondage. Next word is admiration, meaning is respect and warm approval. Antonyms is contempt. Admiration, respect and warm approval. Antonyms is contempt. Next word is noisily, meaning is full of noise, and antonyms is quietly. Next word is superficial, meaning is existing on the surface. Here antonyms is genuine. Superficial, genuine. Next word is fragile. Fragile meaning is easily broken, and antonyms is strong. Next word is harmonious. Harmonious meaning free from disagreement. Here antonyms is discord. Harmonious, discord. Next word is doleful, meaning is expressing sorrow, mournful. Here antonyms is cheerful. Doleful, cheerful. Next word is aggressive, meaning is ready or likely to attack or confront, characterized by or resulting from aggression. Here antonyms is peaceful. Aggressive, peaceful. Next word is stationary, meaning is not moving or not intended to be moved. Stationary antonyms is moving. Stationary antonyms is moving. Next word is peril. Peril here meaning is serious and immediate danger. Antonyms is safety. Peril, safety. Next word is hostile, meaning is showing or feeling opposition or dislike, unfriendly. Hostile, showing or feeling opposition or dislike, unfriendly. Here Antonymus is sympathetic, sympathetic, hostile, sympathetic. Next is barren. This word is repeated, friends. Barren, meaning too poor to produce much or any vegetation. So here the antonymus is fertile. Friends, you are requested to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that जो भी मैं वीडियो बनाऊं सबसे पहले आपके पास पहुंच जाए. So please friends subscribe the channel. Next word is stingy. Here meaning is mean, अनजेनरस. ये भी जो है रिपीटेड वर्ड्स है फ्रेंड्स. आपको पता है ये सारे के सारे वर्ड्स जो है कम से कम 3-4 बार रिपीट हुए हैं प्रीवियस एग्जाम्स में. सो मैंने इसीलिए जो है यहाँ पे ये वर्ड्स जो है लाए हैं आज. स्टिंजी क्या होता है? मीन, अनजेनरस. हेयर एंटोनिमस इज जनरस. नेक्स्ट सब्सिक्वेंट. द मीनिंग इज कमिंग आफ्टर समथिंग इन टाइम या फॉलोइंग, किसी का पीछा करना या किसी का जो है फुटस्टेप्स के ऊपर चलना. हेयर एंटोनिमस इज प्रियर. एक है पीछे चलना और प्रिय क्या है? सबसे आगे रहना या आगे चलना. नेक्स्ट इज फिंडिश. मीनिंग इज एक्सट्रीमली क्रूअल और अनप्लीजेंट. हियर एंटोनिमस इज फ्रेंडली. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज एक्सटिंक्ट. मीनिंग इज हैविंग नो लिविंग मेंबर्स. हियर एक्सटिंक्ट क्या होता है? हैविंग नो लिविंग मेंबर्स. हियर एंटोनिमस इज अलाइव. Next word is sobriety. Meaning is the state of not being under the influence of alcohol. यानी कि जो मदिरा का सेवन ना करता हो, that is sobriety. और here antonymus is drunkenness. Drunkenness. Next word is sanguine. Meaning is optimistic or positive, especially in an apparently bad or difficult situation. Here antonymus is peerless. Sanguine, peerless. Antonymus क्या है इसका? Peerless. Next word is idiosyncrasy. Idiosyncrasy. Here meaning is a mode of behavior or way of thought peculiar to an individual, and antonymus is nirality. Antonymus क्या है इसका? Nirality. Next word is antonymus affluence. Meaning is the state of having a great deal of money, wealth. Here antonymus is poverty. क्या है इसका? Poverty. इसका antonymus है poverty. Antonymus affluence का जो antonymus है वो है poverty. Next word is curtail. Meaning is reduced in extent or quality, impose a restriction on. Here antonymus is resume. Curtail का क्या है antonymus? Resume. Next word is affirmation. Affirmation का meaning है the action or process of affirming something. Affirming something. Here antonymus is Daniel. Affirmation, the action or process of affirming something, that is Daniel. Next word is concise. Meaning is giving a lot of information in few words. बहुत कम शब्दों में बहुत ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन दे देना. Here antonymus is lengthy. Concise, lengthy. Next word is prudent. Meaning is acting with or showing care and thought for the future. Here prudent होता है बहुत ही ज्यादा अक्लमंद. Here antonymus is unwise. So friends, today we have completed these words and their antonyms. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get our latest videos. Stay home, stay safe, prepare well, perform well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.